Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make a Steam account. If you have a PC and you want to make Steam account, play games or do whatever, this is a very simple method, and whatever you need to do is you need to find any browser. It can be Brave, it can be Chrome, it can be any browser on your preference. But after that you need to press in Steam, click on it, press enter, and here is welcome to Steam. When you go to the top right corner, here you can see after the install Steam, you can install the application. The process will be the same. After that, you need to go to the login section, click on it, and here you have this section. You need to scroll down and you need to find this option new to Steam. You need to create an account. Pressing out that, you need to press an email. So here the Steam need to get the permission from your Gmail account. So what you need to do, you need to go to your phone or go to your application or go to your Gmail from any laptop or your phone, and then after that you need to go to your account and just verify your email. I verified my email. You need to make the Steam account name, choose password, confirm password, then click on done. And here simple, easy and very effective methods if you need to change your Steam account or you need to create a new one to enjoy every offer Steam gives you. Bye bye, have a nice day, peace out.